this video, I'll show you how to use the new Jotform Actions in Zapier to automate your workflow in minutes. Start by opening Jotform in your browser. If you don't have an account sign up, it's quick and free. Once logged in, go to your dashboard, pick the form you want to automate and open its settings. Under the Integrations tab, search for Zapier and click Connect. This links your Jotform account to Zapier. Next, switch over to Zapier and click Create Zap. Choose Jotform as your trigger app, then log in and authorize access. Set the trigger event, for example, new submission. Now decide what should happen next. Maybe you want new form submissions sent straight to Google Sheets or to notify your team on Slack. Select your action app, connect it and configure the details. Once done, test your Zap to make sure everything works perfectly. If it does, hit Turn on Zap. From now on, every new Jotform submission will automatically trigger the action you've set. No manual work needed. And that's how you use the new Jotform Actions in Zapier. Simple, fast and powerful. Automate your tasks, save time and focus on what really matters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.